Hello, today this horror story will deal with a very strong topic, killer birds. Their goal is to scare people. Come with me. It was a beautiful day in the city, until a flock of killer birds decided to migrate to a city full of happy and cheerful people. Your happiness will soon disappear, because the killer birds will attack you in an absurd way. These killer birds came with all their strength to everyone. There was one who, the killer birds, tore off his wig with force. And then they started biting the man's head until he died. The killer birds were hungry and began to eat the man's flesh. There were hundreds of killer birds. Commit atrocities and a lot of death. Would you have the courage to face these killer birds? Leave it in the comments. Thank you. Leave a like and subscribe. See you later.